found a product you're interested in,
but don't know how to connect and communicate with a supplier in an efficient and secure way?
check out the 2 chat methods on Alibaba.com. Messenger is a chat tool that allows you to chat instantly with the suppliers. By tapping Chat Now or Chat on the product or supplier page, you'll initiate the conversation in Messenger, where you can type in your own questions or ask a standard one suggested by the suppliers, such as minimum order quantity, customization services, product catalogs, payment options, samples, lead time, and get instant responses. Whew. Looking for a quicker way to exchange contacts? Create your digital business card in Messenger and share it with suppliers with just one click. Having a hard time describing your needs? Send files, voice messages,
Do you make funny taco holders, like dinosaur-shaped, or
pictures and videos
to further explain your intent and avoid possible misunderstandings.
Dealing with a supplier who doesn't speak your language? Set up auto-translation for your incoming and outgoing messages to overcome the language barrier for a more effective cross-border collaboration. If you prefer a more direct approach, give the supplier a video or voice call right away. Or schedule a one-on-one meeting during their work hours. Another method to connect with suppliers is sending out a customized inquiry via the product page or the supplier page, where you can type in your detailed requirements or choose a question from the default question list. And you can even attach images or files to help suppliers better understand your requests. Now you may be wondering, how will I hear from suppliers after sending out my requests? Through the app, of course, but you can also receive messages via email with a validated email address, and WhatsApp by linking it to your Alibaba.com account. Happy with your conversations? Well, now it's time to place your orders. Connect, communicate, follow up.
We strongly suggest you keep all your conversations with suppliers within Alibaba.com to protect your orders and payments.